Business rules for fields. Here, you can set rules based on material type, material group, or any other criteria in order to predict the correct value. These rules are ideal for ensuring the quality of data when creating materials. Making errors is forbidden. But don't worry, you can fix it automatically by adopting rules with one click. Then you can create materials without errors. You can define field rules for other views. For example, you can define rules for MRP type. You can also define rules for any other view. It enables you to automate processes such as material extensions, allowing you to populate data based on rules in just 2 clicks, ensuring the correct values for each field, and then save it. Finally, data cleansing. For existing materials, you can check whether they comply with the rules. This involves checking the current value against the correct value according to the rules. To fix any errors, simply select the relevant materials and save. This is what easy data quality looks like.